parallelogram law of forces. It is, suppose there is two forces is there, one is acting F1 and F2. If two forces are acting simultaneously at a point by the two sides of a parallelogram, then their resultant should be the diagonal of the parallelogram with the direction and magnitude. It represents your resultant force. So then next find out what is the formula we found out for the resultant force. Okay, for let's say triangle ACE, triangle ACE. Then what is R? R will be square root of AE square and CE square. Okay, what is your A? A is AB plus BE. AE is AB plus BE square. Then plus CE square. Good. What is AB? AB is your force, F1 force, first force, and AD simultaneously BC. Then it can be write as F2. Okay. So we can write AB as F1 plus B. What is B? Here force is F2. Okay, and the angle is theta. Then we can write B as F2 cos theta. It is your BE. And what is C? C is your F2 sin theta. F2 sin theta. This is your C. Okay, we can write here at B. B is your F2 cos theta. Cos theta whole square plus C F2 sin theta. Sin theta square. We can write this is according to A plus B whole square. So this will be F1 square plus F2 square cos square theta plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. This is your first part, and second part is your F2 sin square theta. So it will be F2 square sin square theta whole total. From this part and this part, we take common F2. F2 square we can take common, and this part will be F1 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta, and from this part plus we can take common F2 square, and this will be remaining as sin square theta plus cos square theta.